In the world of business, leads are the foundation. Especially for digital businesses, leads are the thing that fuel your business growth. I'm Tanzil from Doplac.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can collect lead from LinkedIn using Doplac.com Chrome extension. So at the very beginning, to collect a lead from LinkedIn using Doplac.com Chrome extension, you have to create a list on your Doplac account to collect lead. So just go back to your Doplac.com account, click on contact under the general section from the left menu, and here it is to create a new list. Just click on create new list, choose your name. I'm going to choose it lead from LinkedIn, then click on create, and it's done. My list is ready. Then go back to your LinkedIn account, search for the lead you want to collect. I have actually made a search here. I want to collect some founder leads from LinkedIn. So when you are done with your search, then click on your Doplac.com Chrome extension. If you need any help about your Doplac.com Chrome extension, how to connect it and how to install it, then I am going to add a video to the I button or in the description below. You can find out the video. So when you are done with your searching, then click on the Doplac.com Chrome extension and look at that. It already collected all the leads. You just have to click on all select, and the all item is all the list, all the lead are actually selected now. Then you have to choose the list you want to add. This is the list actually I have created for to collect a lead from the LinkedIn. So I'm going to choose this list, then click on save. And this is the very simple way you can collect lead from LinkedIn. And you can go back to your Doplac.com account and check out. I'm going to give it a refresh to check out how many lead I have collected, and look at that. I have collected 4 lead from LinkedIn. This is the way, very simple way you can continue to collect lead from LinkedIn.com using Doplac.com Chrome extension. Is that simple? If you have any question or any feedback regarding collecting lead from LinkedIn using Doplac.com Chrome extension, leave them in the comment below. And don't forget to check out Doplac.com because it's completely free until June 1st, 2024. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.